Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the Pinterest app for beginners. Make sure to stick around till the very end to get a complete guide on navigating Pinterest, finding inspiration, and organizing your favorite ideas like a pro. So let's get started. So, first things first, you will want to download the Pinterest app. For this, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Pinterest and click on Install. And once the app is downloaded, open it. To start using Pinterest, you will need an account. Now you can create an account using your email, Google, or Facebook. And after signing in, the first thing you will see is the home feed. And this is where all the magic begins. The home feed shows you pins and ideas based on your interest. You will find things like outfit inspiration, DIY projects, and much more. Simply scroll through to see fresh ideas and tap on any pin to explore it further. Now let's talk about search. Click on the magnifying glass icon at the bottom. Here you can type in keywords to find anything you are interested in. From bedroom decor ideas to school supplies, Pinterest will show you pins and boards that match your search. You can also filter by categories, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. And if you're ready to add your own ideas to Pinterest, then you can click on Create icon, which is the plus sign at the bottom. Now, this lets you upload your own images. Sharing your ideas is a great way to inspire others. The next we have is a notifications icon. Tap on it to see who's following you, repinning your pins, or leaving comments. Pinterest will also send you notifications about new ideas or boards that might match your interest. This helps you stay connected and discover even more inspiration. And finally, we have the saved icon, which look like a profile image or a pin board. And this is where all the magic you have saved lives. Tap on it to access your boards and see everything you have pinned. You can organize your boards by themes like travel ideas. It's your personal space to keep everything you love and want to come back to later. And then you will see a profile icon or the initial located in the top left corner. Click on it, and this is where you can access your profile settings. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.